Okay, today we're going to show you how to remove the throttle from the controller head of the ZERO 2.0. Okay, use a prong like that. It's like a reverse plier with tension as you press it, right? So the head would need two tips for you to fit into the two holes of the, what do you call it? Yeah. Okay. Let's show you. So pry it open, lift it out. Okay. From here you can lift out the throttle directly. Now if your throttle is stuck, right? If your throttle is stuck, most likely it's the spring, right? Which is out of place. Now, the best thing is to just replace the spring or the whole throttle set. Right, so we're going to show you how to replace the whole throttle. Right, make sure that the magnets are always in place. Right, do not lose the magnets. Because once you lose them and they fall out of place, it's even if you put them back together again, it's not gonna give you the same response. Okay, so with the new throttle, right, insert the magnet right in this hole. So take note of the orientation. Right? Take note of the orientation. Right? So the other side of the spring, right, fits into the hole here. Okay, show you. So slot in, align the spring and the hole, and twist it until it clicks in. Right? So there must be tension. Hold your thumb. Right. Hold your thumb in to keep the pressure on, and reinsert. Insert that washer, and then insert that same this tension washer. There you go.